wave right now. It is 35 degrees. So hot, hence the outfit. We're out for a walk and it's lovely. Come on. It's July 1st, which is a holiday in Canada. And yeah, I just spent the morning cleaning up a little bit, teaching online. Then made another YouTube video, a sit down one, talking about rejection. So definitely check that out. And then because it's 4 o'clock, I think we're gonna have a barbecue soon. I think we're gonna do some vegan hot dogs and corn, I don't know. But I'm looking forward to it. I love hot dogs. I love barbecues. I also thought about going to the beach today, but then I went to the beach and it's so busy because it is a holiday. So everybody's at the beach today cooling off, especially since it's a heat wave. I honestly can't complain because if we're gonna have a holiday, I'd love to have a heat wave because that's a great opportunity to go to the beach for everybody, right? But I also understand heat waves aren't great. So anyways, I gotta pick up Elsa's business, so. To the vlog. I am getting ready because I teach in 10 minutes, but after I'm teaching and I'm done teaching for the day and I'm getting my nails done. So this is the before, and then I'm gonna get them done, and I'm also getting a pedicure with my friend, kind of as a late birthday present, which is so sweet and I'm so excited. But I wanted to do my makeup before I teach so that it's done and then I can just leave right after. I'm going to apply the glow. I already did my skincare. I didn't really vlog that. I've been kind of in a vlogging slump, to be honest, but we're back now, especially since I have fun activities planned. So let's do our makeup, even though we missed the skincare. For skincare, I just did the facial spray from Tower 28. I don't know how to say it. And then I used the Kiehl's lotion. And now I'm going to use the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Hue Drops, which I've been obsessed with. It just gives me such a nice glow. So I'm just going to blend that in. For the last few days, what have you missed? What have you missed? I just put a vlog out. I guess you haven't really missed much. I've just been like gardening, hanging out at home, cleaning up, catching up on my chores, as you guys can see. It's a little bit better than it was before. Just a little bit by bit. I still need to work on my website. Wow, I put way too much of this on. Blending it. Hopefully it'll mix in with my skin tone better, because what the heck, this is not good. Yes, I'm very behind my chores, but slowly and surely I'm getting them done. Oh my god, guys, I put way too much on. This is actually comical. This is okay. We can't do this. I don't mind a bronzy glow. I just need it to like match. I might have to relocate to the bathroom where I have better. Yeah, we're gonna do that so I can see better, because this mirror situation, this is how I do my makeup most of the time, and my get ready with me's. It's not working. This lighting is better, and now I can see how bad it is. Mind you, I'm still working with a broken tripod that's literally held together with tape and dream and some hope. I'm really excited for the weekend. Oh, I guess last night we watched some fireworks. We went to town, watched some fireworks, enjoyed that. It was Canada Day yesterday, so it was a holiday for most people except for us. I taught online, and that's pretty much that, and Steve worked, obviously. So yeah, pretty chill. I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer. I'm not doing a crazy amount of makeup because I hate wearing a lot of makeup throughout the day, but I'm gonna do a little bit more than usual. Usually I've just been doing these glow drops or these hue drops, and then I'm getting a text. And then call it a day, maybe put some blush on. Yesterday I didn't put any makeup on aside from blush because I've been breaking out like crazy. I've been on my upload game, honestly. I've been trying to prioritize my YouTube and my online stuff because it brings me so much joy. And now that I have so much time on my hands because I'm done school and I'm kind of in this transitional period in my life, both with work as well as my personal life, I have been posting more because it's so fun. Okay, we're just gonna let that sit a little bit because that's the one spot. I'm pretty lucky in terms of skin. Like, I don't get breakouts often, but when I do, they're giant. They're huge, painful cystic pimples. But yeah, I need to work on my website. That's another thing I've been not neglecting. I just need to work on it more. Okay, we're gonna use the L'Oreal Lumi liquid blush. I've had this for a year. I use it literally every day. If I don't use the stain, I use this. The stain's a bit more pink. This one I feel like blends in nice with the bronze. What color nails should I get, guys? I'm thinking, because I'm going to pick up my dress this Saturday, I'm gonna do nails that match my shoes. I can't say it too loud because Steve's in the next room and I don't want him to know. He doesn't have social media, so he hasn't seen the shoes. You guys have seen the shoes because you're special. He has not. So I'm trying to keep it on the DL, so don't tell him. Anyways, I'm probably gonna get my nails to match my shoes, and maybe also some purple in them. I don't really know. I'm also getting a pedicure, so I can do one color on my nails and one color on my feet. That did not work. Okay, we're just gonna do some eyeliner and mascara, and then I do have to go because I have to teach in 5 minutes. This is my outfit to teach. Got my studio pants as per usual. I either wear these or my biker shorts lately because we're in the middle of a heat wave. Another reason I haven't really been vlogging because I have been way too hot to do ballet, and I feel like if I don't do a ballet class, then I don't know, people won't like my vlog. But people also like my vlogs. I've been looking at my comments a lot more lately because I've had more time, and there's a few of you guys that like the vlogs, a few people that like the workouts, and some people stay for both. So let me know what you are like. Do you like the vlogs? Do you stay for both? Only watch the vlogs? If you clicked on this, I assume you're a vlog person. Did you come from one of my other videos? Like, let me know where you're coming from. Because I feel like my channel's experienced a little bit more growth last month than it's used to. So tell me where you're from. Where are you coming from? Both in the world and online. Anyways, I'm gonna quickly finish this up and then go get ready to teach because now I have 4 minutes. Okay, now I have 3 minutes, but final touches, I'm gonna add a little bit more blush just to make it a little bit more bronzed out, especially the front of my face. I like to look a little bit sun-kissed. That was too much. Oh my God, I made a mistake. Oh well. Finish look, what do we think? I'll have my hair down for the appointment, but I have to have it up to teach, obviously, because I have to be a good example. I didn't do highlighter. That's one thing I missed. We're gonna do the Lumi Le Glace highlighter. Perfect. A little bit here. I need to put my hair back up. Anyways, my goodness, I don't know why I put it down. That's a mistake on my part. Done like dinner. We're gonna spray. Let's get it in my eyes. I should have done it before I did my mascara. Okay. So because a lot of my students are in school still during the summer, I tend to teach earlier in the day, which is really nice for Steve and I because during the year, I have to teach in the evenings when students are done school. So I love summer schedules because it allows me to do my teaching in the mornings, early afternoons, and I'm done by the same time that Steve is done work, so we can take a trip down to the beach or drive into town and do something fun. Friday morning in particular, I woke up and I did some class planning before teaching my first student at 10 a.m. and then I taught the rest of the afternoon / early evening until about 6 o'clock. And aside from being able to spend more time with Steve, it's also so nice to be able to have more free time in the evening to myself and to get an early night's sleep because the following morning we went to the city to pick up my dress, hopefully, but you'll see whether or not I picked up my wedding dress in a few clips. We've got some quinoa, some veggies, cucumber and pepper, some tofu with sesame and the barbecue sauce, seaweed, and a sweet potato with sriracha on top. Are you excited for dinner?
Very excited.
So I was kind of bummed I couldn't pick up my dress because it was a whole size too big. Obviously, the dress that was there the first time I tried it on was just the size that they have everybody try it on. So I had to order my size, and after they did the fitting, they ordered the wrong size. Well, they actually did the fitting wrong. When they took my measurements, they somehow took the measurements wrong, so they ordered the wrong dress. Regardless, they are ordering the correct size dress, hopefully in time for the wedding, which is in the fall. Regardless, it's not that big a deal. They are still able to order the dress in my correct size. I do wish it was ordered in the correct size to begin with, but again, it seems like for some reason I was either a size bigger completely on the day that they did the measurements, which I highly doubt because they did my measurements 2 weeks before I went to go pick up the dress and realized it was too big. So I honestly just think the measurements they did were slightly off, but not to fear. Once again, I'm choosing not to stress out because I know everything's going to work out in the end. We also got McDonald's, and that's a rarity because we never get McDonald's. I can't remember the last time I had McDonald's. It was very good. We are in the car. Steve had to pop by somewhere for a site visit, and he's coming back now. We are going to the cottage.
I just wanna know. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why?
Spectacular.
It's so nice out. I just swam for the last hour. I could be out here all day, but I've got to teach online, so let's go. But like, how can I not want to stay out here all day? Are you kidding? This is the life. This is the life, but I don't want to burn and crisp, so let's go. The number of geese, ducks, and
Look at the baby
loons that
ducks.
we
Do you
saw
see
at the
them?
cottage was so sweet, especially ducks with little ducklings or loons with their little chicks. One of the first days that we got there, my father-in-law told us that there was a pirate ship. We had to go see this pirate ship, and the pirate ship was in fact not a letdown. It was very, very cool. It's somebody's boathouse. I just thought it was really unique and cool, and I don't know who it belongs to, but it's just really awesome.
Yeah, you're right, with the sliding doors and everything. Does it say Canada or 150? I like the siren at the front, like the mermaid.
Are you ready for some rock hounding?
Yes.
We're at the Princess Sodalite Mines in Bancroft.
Yes, we are.
Gonna find some rocks. Yeah, we can go right here. Okay, time to smack some rocks. Really? Ooh, look at this sparkly one too.
Right rock.
Oh! Hey! Show me that one. That's dark. That dark blue one. See how I want that. I'm sweating. We got lots of rocks. Lots and lots of rocks. It's hard work. You need to get a video of me hammering something for the vlog.
Nice.
Lots of really cool ones. I like the amethyst ones. Even though they're small, they're really pretty. So many rocks! After a full day of rock hounding, we were certainly hungry, so we went to a restaurant nearby and it was really delicious. I had this veggie burger and fries, and then when we got back, the loon and her baby were swimming around and making songs, and when we used the binoculars to look closer, the loon mom was feeding the baby, which was really, really sweet, and this sent me into a spiral to find out as much as I could about loons. And there are a lot of fun facts about loons. For example, did you know that loons, unlike other birds, do not have hollow bones? That's why they can dive for so long and for so deep. Anyways, if you want to learn more about loons, I'll put some links in the description down below. And like I said, Elsa also loves her swims. You can see in this video, she's so sweet. Covered in bug bites. So the last time I had done a ballet class has been about a week, I want to say, and even though I've been teaching every single morning, I really wanted to make sure that I wasn't losing any of my skills and that I was staying in quote-unquote ballet shape. So I decided to put on my pointe shoes Wednesday morning. It was pouring rain at one point, and I hope I was able to capture, I think I was, especially when I was doing my leg hold, I was able to capture the sounds of the rain. I also had the most beautiful view, and it was so cozy. It started to thunder a little bit later, so I took my stuff inside to be safe. And I've said this before, but one of my favorite aspects about ballet and dance in general is that you can literally take it anywhere you go. For example, I am so far away from home and at the cottage and not in a dance studio, but I was still able to dance and do my favorite hobby ever because I found a ballet bar, which was the railing of the porch. And although the floor was definitely splinter ridden, I was just very careful, and I did have a mat with me that I didn't end up using for some reason, but I ended up using for when I was stretching. But like I said, you can take dance with you anywhere, which is one of my favorite aspects about it. Now, I hope you enjoy the rest of the sounds of the rain. Thursday was so beautiful, so was Friday, so was Saturday. Honestly, the whole entire week that we were there, we were so blessed with the weather. And for some reason, the sun after the rain is always the most shiny, I find. I also use the opportunity of this sunshiny day to look closer at some of our rocks that we hounded. One of them that I really like to collect was quartz. I think it's just so beautiful and glassy and sparkly. And can you tell which ones are mine and which ones are Steve's? Because mine are the more sparkly ones, and he found really cool ones, to be honest. I also love collecting rocks and rock hounding. I just think it's so cool, and nature is so awesome.
Holy crap, this is hot. I was recording that. Oops.
Okay, looking at this footage, I look so silly doing the snorkeling. Guys, I can't. It's hilarious. Anyways, the last day that we were there, we cracked open one of our geodes and we stopped at a rock store off the highway. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know that I did because I love the cottage, I love summer, I love these hobbies, and let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.
You steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head.